It's starting to look a lot like Christmas. Oh. Okay. Hi guys. As you can tell, we're somewhere different. We are down in Celebration, Florida on Jeater Bend, and we are going to look at the Christmas lights. Now, they put this whole thing together every year, and unfortunately, this is supposed to be the last year that they're doing it. So I said I need to get there and I need to check it out, and I have to take you guys with me so you can see it. So let's go check it out. I like the little gingerbread man, but look at the yards all covered in. Oh, and the tree there. Oh, look at how pretty this is. Look it over here. I hear music playing down here. Some more nutcrackers. Oh, look it up out there. They got a tree up there. Very festive. That's wrong. I don't either. That's the things I don't like. I can pay a minute of it. Oh, that is cool. Hey, Chris, look who it is. Look, did you see who that is? Alright, had to get back in the car. It started to rain even more, and we were getting pretty wet out there. So I thought Jeater Bend, I thought it was going to be a lot more than what it was, but it was still, it was cute. I really did like it.
Actually, the houses around it seemed like they had cooler things than that. There's houses that are decorated very nicely.
There's some very nice decorated houses around. So, there we go. Maybe that's better. So that's Jeater. Sorry, my nose is, even Obi's is rubbing his nose and his paws. So that's it for Jeater Ben. Last year I heard that it's supposed to be, so we'll have to wait and see what they do next year, if they do anything. All right, guys, as always, thank you for being here, and I love you all, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye.